How to set different ringtones for different SIM cards on Samsung phone. So if you want to customize your phone a bit and set different ringtones for your first SIM card and second, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to open up the settings and then scroll down to this section, sounds and vibration. Firstly, click on the ringtone section. And on the top of the screen, you will see SIM 1 and SIM 2. So if SIM 1 lights up or have this square around it, this means that we'll customize SIM number 1 first. Just go through the list to find the ringtone you prefer. There are many different categories, but if you want to set your own song, custom one, just tap the plus in the top right corner and choose any song from your list. Now we're just gonna tap down in the top right to save changes, and you will see a blue dot next to the ringtone, meaning that this is our current ringtone for the first SIM card. Now let's customize second one. For that, I'm just gonna swipe left, or we can also tap on the SIM 2 field. Again, go through the list to find the option you would like to set for your ringtone, or go in the customization and choose different song. And of course, don't forget to adjust your ringtone volume. And if you don't know how to set your first SIM card or second as your default one for calls and texts, for that, go ahead and tap on the connections. From here, click SIM Manager, and you will see field for preferred SIMs where you can customize calls, messages, and mobile data. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.